Next up, check out Computers for LabRat. In this, we need to locate intel concerning Soviet computers and retrieve it, then report back to LabRat. Very simple. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so approaching the bunker one more time, we'll head straight towards the front of it, where we'll be using a secret entrance to get a quicker way down. Down here, we'll be doing multiple missions in one go, assuming the AI is still alive. Hopefully they are, as we need to get an elimination down here. So when we get to the front entrance over here, you'll find a dirt path off to the right. We'll be following this to a secret entrance. It should take us directly to where we need to be. Following this path past the hole in the fence, all the way up to the top, you'll find this little area up here. This is a secret entrance that we used in a previous mission. Otherwise, you had to parkour up some broken stairs. This will take us to above them. We'll head in here and travel down into the bunker. There may be some AI in here, but usually not in this first corridor, and we'll hit this section here. What we'll do from here is we'll go left down here. Here's the previous person that we had to come and interact with for a previous mission. We'll head down and into this passageway here. Heading through here and down, just be ready. You are going to encounter quite a few AI. So heading downstairs here, be ready, as things are about to get a little bit crazy. Right, so after you come down these steps, in order to get to the checkout computers task, you'll need to head out into this passageway with all of this broken rubble. Go left, then when you get into this room, head right here and into this main room over here. Over here, you'll find the computer room. It says communication room, and we're on floor -2. Inside of here, all the way at the very end, you'll find a desk with a light above it and a couple of floppy drives that you need to pick up. We'll grab them, and just like that, all we need to do is return back to base. I'd also recommend that you put these discs into your safety box just so we don't lose them. There we go, landing back at base. We'll go ahead and open up our vendors list and we'll hand these in. So, LabRat, check out the computers, we'll hand over the floppy disks, and bam, complete. There we go. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been TroubleChute, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.